How to turn off profile view history on TikTok. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off profile view history on TikTok, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to go into my TikTok app on my phone. Then we need to click where it says profile. And then when I'm in here, I will need to click on this eye icon right here, as you can see. When I have clicked here, then I will be taken to this page. So when I'm in here, I will need to click on this settings wheel in the top right corner. In here, you can see that my profile view history is turned on right now, and to turn it off, I will simply need to click right here. If you want to turn it back on later, then you can go back here and click here once again. So this is how to turn off profile view history on TikTok. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a good day.